Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study PW online classes, only way. Start by creating a dedicated study space, then build a realistic weekly schedule you can maintain. Prepare materials, backup files, and a charger before each session to avoid distractions. Use a planner to block classes, study sessions, and review time, and set reminders so you stay on track without burning out or procrastinating. Use active techniques to deepen retention and avoid passive watching. Pause videos often to summarize aloud, capture key formulas, and mark anything unclear. Convert notes into short practice questions and teach concepts aloud as if explaining to someone else. Schedule brief daily review sessions to move information into long-term memory, and mix problem solving with concept review to ensure you can apply what you learn under time pressure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical content. On another note, quick recommendation. Those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for making study snacks and lunches ahead of long sessions. They save time and reduce stress between classes, and they fit neatly in backpacks or fridges. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize your tech to reduce friction and improve focus during online classes. Record or timestamp lectures for quick revisits, and keep searchable notes so you can find topics in seconds. Use digital annotations and a consistent folder system for assignments and readings. Silence notifications and use site blockers during focus study blocks, and sync files to cloud storage so you always have access to materials on any device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.